What's up, my YouTube fans? We felt the earthquake that Southern California had, and because like my wife and I were just sitting here on the couch and we could feel movement underneath from the ground, and then like my wife had some pants hanging up and they were shaking. And so, if you guys felt the earthquake, write a comment below my video. This was definitely weird. The earthquake was about 7.1. Yesterday's was about 6.6. So today's earthquake in Southern California was felt from Southern California to Sacramento County to Nevada, because somebody posted on one of my sports channels that I follow, that I read stuff on, that they were BB, no, hey BB, out, no. That's our dog. I'm trying to keep our dog out of our cat litter's box from baby. No. Yeah, someone posted from the NBA Summer League in Las Vegas that they were in. Baby, come here. Huh?
He's moving.
Where?
It's kind of moving a little.
Oh, it is?
Yeah. Excuse me.
Where? I don't.
It's moving much. It's moving. It's going like this.
Okay.
It's kind of swinging a little bit.
He was trying to get into the cat litter box. And so, you know, things were still moving a little bit in our apartment from the earthquake. And so, yeah, so someone posted that they were in Nevada watching the Summer League games, because the NBA does Summer League in Las Vegas. So someone posted that they felt the earthquake all the way in Nevada. So it's kind of crazy, you know. First 6.6 yesterday, now 7.1. That's pretty crazy. I'll see you guys later.